Hi and welcome to 10-minute overall core and abs focused workout. All the exercises will be performed on the mat. Let's go ahead and get started. In a seated position with our knees bent and legs out in front of us. Sit up nice and tall, holding onto our legs. I'm going to inhale. As we exhale, I want you to round back, gazing at your belly button, and then using our core, let's lift back up. A few more times. We round back and help ourselves sit back up. I'm going to switch my grip to the lower thigh so I can go a little bit lower. Tilt that pelvis, gaze the belly button, and come on up. And last time, round and lift back up. We'll lower ourselves to our elbows. Chest stays nice and lifted here. Then we're going to bring our legs to a tabletop position. Right away, this should engage your core, and I want you to make sure that that lower back is pressed into the floor the whole time. Option to keep it very small. What we're going to do is extend one leg up, one leg out, straighten, and then we come back to that tabletop position. So if you just want to keep it here, nice and slow and small, you can, or you can always do one leg as well. Start from that tabletop position. Again, we extend and bring it back in. Extend, bring it back in. Try to straighten those legs, and we're breathing. Good work. Take a break anytime you need to. 10 minutes is a long time for core work. Give me 2 more here. Out. Bring it in. Out. Bring it in. Lower those feet. Relax the tummy for a second. Big deep breath in. Exhale out. Okay, option here to leave our feet on the floor, or if you're more advanced, you can pick your feet up to a plank position here. Inhale, and then we're gonna shift our weight very slightly, engaging that core, and just lift one arm. So we're still on our elbow. Hold here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put it down. Other side. Just reach that arm. Lift. 6, 5, 4. Option again. Drop those toes. Both arms. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's put our elbows back. Drop the feet if they're not already there. That was tough. Inhale. Exhale. Let's lower all the way down. And then support our head with our hands. Elbows out to the side. Very slow and simple mini crunch here. I just want you to do a pelvic tuck. So we're just lifting ever so slightly our hips, tilting the pelvis, contracting the lower abdominals. Just like a Pilates spinal imprint. Really small movement. Relax the head, neck, and shoulders. You can push into your feet into the mat a little bit, but I really want you to use those lower abs. Give me 1 more. Little tilt and release. All right, now the opposite. We're just going to do a nice little crunch here and lower down. Elbows stay nice and wide, supporting the weight of our head and neck. Lift and lower. Exhale and inhale. 4 more here. 3, 2, and then you guessed it, we're going to put those 2 together. Take a little break, double crunch. Here we go. Lift the pelvis and lift the shoulders off the mat. Don't tug on your neck here. Imagine you've got an apple or an orange in between your chin and your chest. Make the abdominals do all the work. You got it. For 4, 3, 2. Last one. And relax. Extend one arm all the way out to the side, keeping the other arm behind the head. We're going to bring our opposite knee to our opposite elbow, release down, and lower the leg. We crunch up at that angle. Again, being mindful not to pull on the neck. Just getting into those obliques with that side twist. 4 more here. 3. Last one, bend that knee back in. Switch hands, other hand supporting, and then back out here to the side. Extend that lower leg, elbow comes towards that knee, and stretch it out. Doesn't matter if the elbow doesn't reach the knee yet. Keeping the core engaged the whole time. So good, guys. We're almost there. 2. And 1. Hold this knee here. Relax the head, neck, and shoulders. I want you to press both hands into that knee, and what we're going to do is resist. The option to lift your head, neck, and shoulders. You're going to drive the knee in, but resist it and push it away with your hands at the same time. This should be really difficult. You're pulling and pushing here at the same time. Hold for 4, 3, 2, and relax it down. Wow, same thing, other leg. Knee comes in, resist with the hands. You can leave your head and neck down, pushing here, or you may lift it. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. A little bit harder, drive that knee in, but resist it and push it away. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release it down. Nice job. Extend those legs straight out and the arms overhead. Big reach here, relaxing those abs. And then all we're going to do is roll over here onto our tummies. Extending out nice and long. Separate those legs just a bit. Elbows are wide, and let's put our forehead on top of the top of our hands. I want you to think about still contracting those abdominals and squeeze your buns a little bit. And we're going to use that lower back as we lift and lower down. Lift and lower. This is still working our core and our back, which is part of our core. All muscles, so important, surrounding that whole area. Lift and lower. For 3, 2, hold this last one. If you can extend your arms back behind you, palms to the ceiling. Stretch those arms long and hold it here. Maybe lift 1 more inch. Engage that core. Hold, hold, hold. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. So good. Gently push yourself up. We're going to come to a modified plank position. So come down onto your forearms, and then keeping a nice straight spine, I just want you to lean forward. Shoulders are above those elbows. Really pulled up here. Pull that belly button into the spine. Hold, 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 and breathe. You can lift your legs if you want, just making sure we're not dropping our hips, but we're lifting them with a straight spine. Hold for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk back, a little break here. Stretch into a child's pose. Nice job. Big breath in and exhale. Let's come to our hands and knees for a little yoga cat-cow. Chin up and shift the hips back. Now drop the chin, gaze up towards your navel, rounding the back. Keep a soft bend in the elbows, protecting that joint. You should feel a nice stretch in those abdominals. Drop it, arch that back. Excellent. A few more here. One more cow here. Chin up, hips back. Drop the chin. Gaze up towards that navel, rounding the back. Inhale. Exhale, push back one more time into a child's pose and stretch those arms way out in front. Big inhale. Exhale. And come back up to a seated position. Beautiful job. That was tough stuff. Thanks for joining me. Make sure that you stay if you need some more stretching. We also have 10-minute arms and legs and a cardio warm-up. Thanks for working out with me. We'll see you next time.